Hi guys, welcome to my midweek CVS haul and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your first time here. I just want to let you know that I appreciate all your support. This haul was almost an all digital deal, but I only used one paper coupon and I received a 20 off 18 next purchase CRT in my text message that I'll also be using. I will explain each deal as if I'm doing it by itself, and when I get my receipt, I will now show you how the 20 off 18 next purchase CRT helped me bring the prices down. The first deal I'll be picking up will be on Axe deodorant or body spray. They're on sale for buy one get one half off, and when you buy two you get $4 back, and this is a limit of one. I'll be picking up two of the fine fragrance body spray priced at $9.49, and the second one is going to be $4.75. These two items are going to come up to $14.24. And check your app, we have a 4 off 2 digital coupon that is going to apply to it and drop it down to $10.24. Then I'll get $4 back. Check Ibotta because I have $3 back on each one of them. That will give me a total of $6, making both items just 24 cents or 12 cents each. The next deal is on Clearer hair color. They're on the deal of buy two get $5 back, and it's a limit of one. Picking up two of the ones priced at $9.49 each. These two items are going to come up to $18.98. We have a 6 off 2 in 9/10 savings set that will double dip with a 6 off 2 we have in our app and bring it down to $6.98, and I'll get $5 back, making both items $1.98 or 99 cents each. Next deal will be on some Crest product or Oral-B. You can do the toothpaste or you can do the toothbrush, but I'll be picking up the toothbrushes. It's on sale for $3.99, and when you buy 3 you get $5 back, and this is a limit of 2. Picking up 3 of the toothbrushes, that will come up to $11.97. We all received a 5 off 3 digital coupon on Sunday that will apply to this and drop it down to $6.97, and I'll get $5 back, making all 3 items $1.97 or 66 cents each. The next deal is the spend 15 get $5 back, and off product is part of it, and I'll pick up 2 of the ones priced at $7.79 each. These 2 items are going to come up to $15.58. We have 2 $3 digital coupon if you still have yours, because we had this deal last week, but I still have mine. I did this deal last week, but I used 2 paper coupon, but this week I'll be using the 2 digital coupon that we have. It's going to drop it down to $9.58, and I'll get $5 back. Then I'll submit my receipt to Ibotta for $3 back on each one of them, making both of them free and a $1.42 money maker. The last deal I'll be adding to get me to the $80 will be on Cottonelle. It's part of the spend 20 get $5 back limit of 1. I'll pick up 2 of the Cottonelle 9 mega rolls on sale for $10.49, and the total for these 2 products will be $20.98. I have a $1 digital coupon that is going to apply to this and drop it down to $19.98, and I'll get $5 back, making both of them $14.98 or $7.49 each. These are all the items I'll be picking up with my 20 off 18 next purchase CRT. If everything works out as I explained, my out of pocket will be $33.74, which I'll be using some extra care box to pay, and I'll get back $24 total in extra care box, and Ibotta will give me back $12. Let me go check out and I'll be back with my receipt. This transaction went very well. I picked up all the items I said I'm gonna pick up, and the coupons came out as expected. All my digital coupons are applied. The $6 off 2 for the Clearer double dip with the digital coupon. I used $32 extra care box, paid $1.74 out of pocket, and I got back $5 for the spend 20 get 5 back, $5 back for buying 3 of the Oral-B toothbrushes, and I got $4 back for buying 2 of the Axe fine spray, and I submitted my receipt and I got my $6 back for this as well. And for the off product, I got back $5 for spending 15 and another $5 back for buying 2 of the Clearer hair color. And I also received a $6 back from Ibotta. That's 3 each for the off product. This whole transaction ended up being free and a $2.26 moneymaker after I received my rebate. The last deal I picked up is on Maybelline Cosmetics. It's on spend 12, get $4 back, and it's a limit of 1 per card. What I did was pick up the Dream Radiant Liquid Foundation, priced at $15.49. I know this deal is spend 12, get $4 back, but I'm picking up this item because I have a 3 of 15 Maybelline CRT that I want to add to this deal. We also received a $3 instant CRT last week. I still have mine. And I also received another $3 instant CRT this week. The 3 CRTs are going to take off $9 and drop it down to $6.49. I will pay that and I'll get $4 back. This transaction also went as expected. You can see the $15.49 item I picked up. The 3 CRTs came off. I used $5 extra care box to pay for this, and I received a $2 off your next purchase CRT that I also used. That one was adjusted to $1.49. I paid $0 out of pocket. I only paid tax and I got my $4 back, making this item just $2.49. And this concludes my haul for today. Thank you all for all your support and watching my video, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.